learn interesting things. Today we are going to learn one more interesting thing, that is, the poet of this poem wrote poems in plain verse, which made her popular. These words she used in them were simple enough for ordinary people to understand. Even the topics she used to write were ordinary, and people could relate to them easily. The rhyme scheme here is simple for us to identify. Simple for us to identify. Five little brothers set out together to journey the livelong day. To journey the livelong day. In a curious carriage, all made of leather, all made of leather, they hurried away. They hurried away. Together, leather. Livelong day, away. Livelong day, they hurried to journey the livelong day. They hurried away. Day away. Mark the rhyming schemes for the rest of the poem and make a list of all the rhyming pairs. Made her popular. The words she used in them were simple enough for ordinary people to understand. Even the topics she used to write were ordinary, and people could relate to them easily. The rhyme scheme here is simple for us to identify. The poet of this wrote in plain verse, which made her popular. The words she used in them were simple enough for ordinary people to understand. Even the topics she used to write were ordinary. Even the topics she used to write were ordinary. People could relate to them easily. The poet wrote in plain verse, learning interesting things. Create. B1. Some words are used to express our feeling in the grid. Find the words about feelings given in the boxes. Happy, happy. Sad, excited, happy, sad, excited, tired, shocked, surprised, glad, and angry. C1. In order to compare the qualities of noun like size, shape, type, and number, degree of adjectives, I used this one is short. No. Degree of comparison on size, shape, type, number, degree of size, small, smaller, smallest, long, longer, longest. Boy 2 is longer than boy 1. Boy 3 is tallest. Boy 1 is shortest. Comparative degrees. Shorter, shorter. Dark, darker. Big, bigger. Light, lighter. High, higher. Nice, nicer. Superlative. Short, shortest, shortest. Dark, darker, darkest. Big, bigger, biggest. For why we add IER? Happy, happier, happiest, easy, easier, easiest, pretty, prettier we don't say, prettier we say, prettiest. So we add IER, IEST. Some adjectives end are written in comparative and superlative form by writing more and most. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Important, more important, most important. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Some adjectives change completely in the comparative and superlative forms. Much, more, most. Good, better, best. Who is the good child in the class? Who is the better child than this child? Who is the best student in the class? Like this. Bad, worse, worst. Now read some more examples. My thumb is bigger than my little brother's thumb. My mom's thumb is biggest in the family. The red pen is more expensive than blue pen. The green pen is most expensive one in the collection. When bigger is compared, we compared between two things. And when we compare by writing biggest, it means it is compared from among everyone, among many from whole. The red pen is more expensive than the blue pen. The green pen is most expensive one in the collection. Fill in the blanks with positive, comparative, and superlative degrees of adjectives. New, newer, newest. Loud, louder, loudest. Cool, cooler, coolest. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. High, higher, highest. Warm, warmer, warmest. Clever, clever, cleverer, cleverest. More clever, most clever. When things. Okay. Next. Choose the correct options to complete these sentences. Priya runs faster, fastest than any other athlete in the school. When we compare between two person, we choose faster. I think the Mustang makes the beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful cars. I think the Mustang makes beautiful cars. It is not comparing with anyone, so we will choose beautiful. Rob took a longest time to complete his exam. Rob took a long time to complete his exam. Here they are not mentioning about from the whole class. Who is the good, better, best batsman in the team? Now it is talking about more than two people. Rob took a long time to complete his exam. Who is the dash batsman in the team? In the team means it is comparing more than two person. So who is the best batsman? So the answer is best. Fifth one. Dinah's cat is very dash by nature. Quiet. It is not comparing by something, some more cat, one more cat or another cats. C3. Now play the grammar game with the teacher. Okay. Grammar game. You have to tell any five um, five comparative superlative words. Okay, question number D. Listen to the description of the different shoes. Then label the pictures correctly. Also write the write where and when these shoes are worn. These are skates. So roller skates, flip flops, sneakers, boots, cowboy boots, and loafers. E. A neighborhood is an area around your house. It comprises people who live in the area and usually have some facilities near it, such as banks, post office, schools, hospitals, grocery stores. Grocery stores. Read the example of the description of a neighborhood. I live in Dehradun. I love my neighborhood because everything is available here. We have a hospital and a school nearby. There is a shopping complex which has a grocery store, a vegetable shop, and a bank. There is a courier office too. There are no factories near my house, and this makes me very happy since there is no pollution. In our nearby area also there is a bank, there is what there is a grocery store, there are vegetables available. Okay. The thing that I like the most is the small park right across the street. Here also we have a park. We play there in the evening and my grandparents go for a walk there. There is also a club in the neighborhood which has a swimming pool and tennis court. We go there every weekend to play and swim with my friends. Now take turns to speak about your neighborhood in the class. Okay, you have to tell about your neighborhood. What things are available near your neighborhood? Read the following words aloud and learn how the letters f makes the f sound. Think and add five more words to complete the table. Phone, alphabet, graph, nephew, phonics, elephant, pharmacy, autograph, phantom, pheasant, saxophone, Philip,